viral, cinematic, AI generated. These videos aren't just trending, they're being created by everyday users with just one tool. But what makes them stand out? Today, I'm diving into the tool behind them, Nim. And I'll walk you through exactly how I made this one.
In a forgotten land where ruins whisper of ancient wars, one warrior rises from the ashes. She is swift, silent, and fierce.
Steps on stone, the morning cold. Market gates begin to fold. Smoke from kitchen fills the sky. Call of vendors drifting by.
Alright, head over to the Nim website and log in. The interface is super simple. Just hit Create and choose whether you want to start with an image or a video. You can use image to image or add a reference character if you already have one. You'll see preset keywords that help you build a professional look. Camera angles, settings, environments, even clothing styles. You can also pick your image generation model here and see how many credits it'll use. Need help writing better prompts? Use the AI enhancer. Also, you can choose prompt styles. And this feature is pretty cool, the reverse prompt. Click the little eye icon, upload any image or video, and Nim gives you a clean description you can reuse. Let's create the first frame. Here's the prompt I used: a ruined medieval village at dusk, with our orange tabby hero standing tall in a tattered cloak, glowing in cinematic light. Every word helps guide the AI toward the mood I want. I went with a cinematic style, but you can shape the look however you like. From lighting and environment to wardrobe and camera angles. Once it feels right, just hit Generate. And here's what came out, exactly what I pictured. When I use Flux Pro, I think of prompts like building a movie scene. I keep 6 things in mind, not as strict rules, just helpful creative tools. First, the subject. What's the focus? For me, it's a humanoid orange tabby cat, expressive and ready to transform. Second, the style. Cinematic, painterly, comic. I went with fantasy concept art and cinematic flair. Third, the composition. Wide shots to show the world, close-ups for emotion. Fourth, lighting. Golden dusk or soft moonlight. Light sets the mood. Fifth, the color palette. Warm golds, silvery tones, dusty ash. It all shapes the vibe. And finally, the mood. Every scene should feel like something. Hopeful, intense, serene. When you build prompts this way, you're not just describing, you're directing. And if you're ever stuck, the Nim AI enhancer can help shape or polish your prompt. Alright, let's bring this scene to life. We've got our base image. Now click on Image to Video. I'm using Kling's standard prompt style, basically just describing the scene like I would in a quick movie shot. So first up, the subject, an orange tabby cat standing upright. Next, a little character detail. She's wearing a torn linen wrap that flutters in the breeze. Now, quick tip. If you want the fabric to move in the animation, it helps to describe it like this. But if you don't want any movement, you don't need to describe what she's wearing, since the image already shows it. Then, the setting. A ruined medieval village at dusk. To build the atmosphere, I'll add ash drifting through the air, golden sunset light casting long shadows, and a shallow depth of field. Finally, the camera movement. I'm going with wide shot, 360-degree orbit. That gives us a smooth circle around the character. Put it all together in one clean sentence. And, if you want, you can use Nim's keywords to tweak the vibe even more. And that's it. Just hit generate and let Kling bring it to life. Alright, our animation is ready. Oh, and quick tip. With Kling's model, you can choose between a 5-second or 10-second video, and you've also got the option to add a negative prompt if you want to avoid anything specific in the output. Now let's add sound. You can either describe what you want, like soft wind, drifting ash, distant crows, or just click Write with AI to let AI generate it for you. Want to avoid anything specific? Just use the negative prompt. Once it sounds right, hit generate, and Nim will take care of the rest. Now your scene has both motion and mood. Alright guys, that's a quick wrap on this AI video generator. So, why does Nim stand out? Because Nim is your all-in-one AI creative studio. You can generate images, videos, voiceovers, and sound effects, all in one place. It's smooth, fast, and super intuitive. And the best part? Nim brings together all the top AI models for both image and video generation. Each model has its strengths, and having them all in one place means you get full creative control. No more switching tabs or juggling tools. Just create, all in one flow. Check out the Nim website, and don't miss the discount link in the description. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please give it a like and subscribe. It really helps me out a lot. Love you all, and I'll see you in the next video.